Do you want to level up your English? Follow these idioms in your day-to-day English and see the difference. Let's start. Jump on the bandwagon to join others in doing something that has become popular or fashionable. For example, social media influencers are quick to jump on the bandwagon of any viral challenge. Are you a social media influencer? Elephant in the room, an obvious issue or problem that everyone avoids discussing. For example, his alcoholism was the elephant in the room. That means everyone knows that he is a drinker, but everybody avoids to speak about it. Bite the bullet. To face a difficult or unpleasant situation with courage. For example, the aging couple bite the bullet and sell their home and move to the retirement community. Cat's pajamas. Someone or something that is really impressive or outstanding. For example, that new car was really the cat's pajamas. Follow for more.